Alright guys, we're back with the Challenger again today. I know the plan was to get it ready for Frankensteiners this weekend, but the weather is not looking good at all. So we decided we are not going. So there's no point in pushing on this car to get it done. So it's just drivable to get in there and whatever. So motor wise and that kind of stuff, mechanically wise, we're going to slow down on this thing a little bit. Had some time today, so I decided to pull out the back seat, take you over, see what the back of it looks like. It's pretty nasty looking. Took the bottom out. I got some cleaner stuff, so that's what it started out as. I just wiped it down with some cleaner. And then this side over here, I've been using some leather restore stuff on. It's going pretty clean, looking pretty nice. Other than one spot here where the stitching's ripped. The seat's in pretty good shape. I'm pretty sure I can get this white spot out of here, but it's kind of where I'm at right now. Maybe later I'll tackle the vinyl top, see if I can't get that to clean up a little better. It's actually in really nice shape considering. There's just a few spots over on that side over there that are bad. But just a little update quick. Obviously there was a mouse nest underneath the back seat there. Got the old 70s rainbow air freshener. That's pretty cool. Yeah, and an old pack of cigarettes. Typical. But oh yeah, and I found something in the glove box I thought was pretty cool, and I'm gonna have to put this on the car. But there's this old vintage Thrush decal. So I have to find somewhere to put that on the car. For right now it's gonna stay on the dash. But pretty much the motor's the same way as it was in the last video, other than I took the carburetor off and put it back on the rat rod, so that's where we're at. Till next time. Okay, we got the bottom of the seat done. Turned out pretty good. Looks pretty nice. Not perfect, but it's pretty good for what I'm looking for. So went and I took the back of the seat out. And in doing so, I found the build sheet, which is awesome. So the fender tag I've already decoded over here. So it's got the 3-speed wipers, roof drip moldings, AM radio, black longitudinal stripes, end of sales code, and it's black full vinyl top, basic radio group, console with wood grain, bucket seats, left-hand remote racing mirror. The color was originally the butterscotch, and it was a 318 2-barrel. It's got the 904 3-speed automatic in it. Haven't got down in there to check the numbers on the motor yet. See if it is actually the numbers matching motor. I would say it's probably, I don't know, it's hard to say. The headers and stuff on that, I maybe did have it out at one point in time, so. But I guess we'll find that out later. So for now, I'm gonna finish cleaning up my seats. This one here looks pretty nasty too, for the most part. I'm pretty sure we can get it clean though. So good thing is there's no real rips or tears in this one. Seams are all good on it, looks like too. So just getting that nasty crap off there. So that's it for now.